Blades of Glory. In lands of ice and snow, a special game is played. It's called ice hockey, and it's very fun. The game is played on a big sheet of ice called a rink. It's long and wide, with plenty of room to skate. Each team has 6 players on the ice. They wear special shoes with blades called skates. Skates help the players move very fast on the ice. It takes practice, but soon you can glide like a bird. Instead of a ball, they use a small black disc called a puck. Players use long sticks to hit the puck. They pass it to their friends on the same team. To score, you have to get the puck into the other team's net, but a special player called the goalie tries to stop you. Sometimes, the game can be a little rough. Players can bump into each other to get the puck. This is called a body check. A referee watches the game to make sure everyone plays fair. If someone breaks a rule, they get a penalty. Ice hockey is a wonderful game for everyone. Boys and girls can both play and have a great time on the ice.